We have a lot to talk about today. Let's get started with Apple TV Plus. Apple TV Plus is a home to the world's most creative storytellers and continues to expand with award-winning programming. Apple original series, films, and documentaries have now been honored with more than 130 wins and over 500 nominations in less than 2 years.
This new iPad starts at just $329. And that's with twice the storage, starting at 64 gigabytes. For schools, it's even more affordable at just $299. It comes in space gray and silver, and cellular models are available as well. You can order the new iPad today, and it will be available next week.
We're giving iPad mini a huge set of updates. A complete redesign that puts everything our users love about iPad right in the palm of their hand. The all-new enclosure features a beautiful all-screen design with narrow borders and elegant rounded corners. The design is remarkably thin and light and absolutely stunning. An iPad mini now comes in a gorgeous array of new colors: purple, pink, starlight, and space gray. And this design features a brilliant liquid retina display. With this new design, we were able to increase the screen size all the way out to 8.3 inches, while keeping the same compact footprint with wide color, true tone, 500 nits of brightness, and the lowest reflectivity in the industry. Everything you view on iPad mini will look great wherever you go. And delivering this edge-to-edge screen meant finding a new location for Touch ID. So just like iPad Air, we put it right in the top button of iPad mini. The Neural Engine enables apps to deliver next-level experiences, like the new Translate app in iPadOS 15, which can automatically translate a conversation in real time. We're bringing 5G to iPad mini. The back camera now features a 12-megapixel sensor with focused pixels and a larger aperture to capture sharp, vivid photos. And we added a True Tone flash to Mini for improved photos in low light. And now, with the ability to record in 4K, iPad mini becomes your mobile movie studio. On the front, iPad mini features the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which means it also supports center stage. As Melody mentioned, this has been a huge hit on iPad Pro, and now it's coming to iPad mini. There's a new set of slim Smartfolio covers in beautiful coordinating colors that complement the new iPad mini finishes. Perfect for expressing your personal style. And now, iPad mini supports the amazing second-generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side of iPad mini. The new iPad mini starts at just $499, and it'll be available in both Wi-Fi and cellular configurations. You can order it today, and it will be available next week.
This is the incredible Apple Watch Series 7. The new Retina display on Series 7 has nearly 20% more screen area than Series 6. And it's an even bigger jump over Series 3, with over 50% more screen area. Both the case and the display of Series 7 have softer, more rounded corners. The new display refracts light at its edges for a subtle wraparound effect, creating a seamless integration with the curvature of the case.
It can also fit nearly 50% more text on screen than Series 6. This helps you read messages and emails with a lot less scrolling.
Series 7 will be available in 5 new aluminum colors: Midnight, Starlight, Green, Blue, and Product Red. It will also be available in silver, graphite, and gold stainless steel, as well as natural and space black titanium. Series 3 remains at the great entry price of $199. Apple Watch SE starts at $279, and Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399. Series 7 will be available later this fall, and we can't wait for you to try it.
Let's take a closer look at iPhone 13, starting with design. It has the sleek, flat-edge design that people love. It's also incredibly durable with our exclusive ceramic shield front, tougher than any smartphone glass, and has industry-leading IP68 water resistance. iPhone 13 has a new look for the advanced dual camera system with the lenses arranged diagonally. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is beautifully formed and really shows off 5 new colors: an all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. This new brighter Super Retina XDR display delivers an immersive viewing experience with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG.
At its foundation, A15 uses 5-nanometer technology, which enables us to include nearly 15 billion transistors. You'll absolutely fly through demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, thanks to a powerful new 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency cores. A15 Bionic features our latest 4-core GPU. And we continue to push the limits of machine learning with the new 16-core neural engine that is perfect for ML tasks.
iPhone 12 Pro Max introduced an amazing advanced technology, sensor shift optical image stabilization. And incredibly, we are bringing this to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Here's a low-light photo from the new wide camera with sensor shift OIS. The larger sensor captures nearly 50% more light. Hard to believe this photo was taken in a dark room with just a little light coming through a window. Night mode shots are even more impressive.
For more creative control, you can tap to shift focus at any time. Tap again to lock and track focus on the subject. Cinematic mode shoots in Dolby Vision HDR.
For iPhone 13, we have leather, silicone, and clear cases in stunning new colors and engineered to work perfectly with MagSafe. With all this, iPhone 13 still starts at just $699. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes for double the storage and adding a new 512 gigabyte option.
iPhone 13 Pro features our most pro design, with exceptional materials like these surgical-grade stainless steel bands. Each band goes through a physical vapor deposition process to create an Apple custom finish that is so elegant, yet incredibly resistant to abrasion and corrosion. iPhone 13 Pro comes in 4 striking finishes: a rich, deep graphite, gorgeous gold, beautiful silver, and this all-new Sierra Blue. And for these Pro models, A15 Bionic includes our most powerful graphics ever with a new 5-core GPU. This year, we're proud to introduce an entirely new Super Retina XDR display. With a new, more efficient OLED panel, the display now supports up to 1,000 nits peak outdoor brightness. That's 25% higher than last year. And for the first time, we're bringing ProMotion to iPhone. With our latest technology, this ProMotion display can refresh from as low as 10 Hz to as high as 120 Hz. ProMotion is designed to respond dynamically and match your content. The advanced custom architecture produces fast frame rates when you need them and preserves battery life when you don't. We also optimize iOS to take full advantage of this. For example, when swiping between apps or scrolling, the system adapts the frame rates to precisely match the speed of the user's finger. The result is an incredibly responsive experience that is fast and fluid. The new ultra-wide camera enables amazing macro slow-mo videos thanks to the new lens design. And the new 3x telephoto allows you to zoom even closer to the action and offers a great new focal length for video. This is really awesome when using our all-new cinematic mode, which uses machine learning and disparity to create a depth map that's built into the video. So you can change the depth effect, including the level of bokeh and where the focus is applied, even after the capture. Even with all this incredible technology, iPhone 13 Pro still starts at $999, and iPhone 13 Pro Max still starts at $1099. And this year, we're introducing a new 1 terabyte storage option. This is a great addition for our Pro iPhone users. The 1 terabyte joins our 128, 256, and 512 gigabyte storage options. You can pre-order all 4 new models of iPhone 13 family this Friday, September 17th, and they will all be available on September 24th. So here's our new iPhone lineup, including iPhone 12, iPhone 11, and iPhone SE starting at just $399.